Spring is here, and if you haven't gotten that spring cleaning done yet, it's overdue. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner, and one of the chores that sometimes gets overlooked is cleaning your window screens. Stay tuned, and I'll share an easy way to get the job done right after this.
Every home has have-to-dos and probably some want-to-dos. The Home Depot can help you do both with the things you need to make things work a little better, or take care of something you've been meaning to do. Maybe do something to start summer. We have the low prices to make it all doable. Order online and get free delivery on orders over $45. Whatever you need to do or want to do, we can help you get it done. The Home Depot. How doers get more done. Some delivery exclusions apply.
Window screens seem to be a magnet for dust, dirt, and cobwebs, but because they are somewhat fragile, cleaning them can be a pain. The best way to do the job is to submerge them in soapy water. But how? Well, a child's pool is perfect for smaller screens, but for larger ones, you can build your own little pool. Nail 4 2x4s together, each about 6 feet long, on a flat, level surface to create a square. Over the square, you'll drape a piece of plastic that overlaps each edge by about a foot. Add some water and detergent, and you have a window screen bathtub. Let the screen soak for a little while before you scrub them with a soft bristle brush or a broom. Follow that with a good rinse, and your screens are ready to go. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.